If you're in Delhi and looking for an authentic Bengal experience, head to Arambagh. The Arambagh Durga Puja Committee has themed its pandal on Bengal's folk theatre, Jatra, giving visitors a rare chance to experience the art form that originated in Bengal and was once widely popular, especially in the rural areas. A Jatra troupe from Bengal is performing one of the classics from Bengali literature in traditional Jatra style.
हाँ, हम लोग यात्रा करने आए हैं बंगाल से बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय की उपन्यास कपाल कुंडला उसमें से मैं मोती बीबी की किरदार निभा रही हूँ।
আমি চেয়েছি সমাজের বুকে যে সুস্থ সংস্কৃতির পক্ষে এই যাত্রা আগামী দিনে আরো বেশি করে হওয়া উচিত এবং আরামবাগ পুজো কমিটি যে আয়োজন করেছেন এবং তাদের মূল থিম হচ্ছে যাত্রা, এটা আমরা ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল থেকে এসে আমরা সব থেকে গর্বিত মনে করছি যে দিল্লির মতো জায়গায় এখানেও একটা যাত্রা থিমের উপর একটা পুজো প্যান্ডেল হয়, তার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
The Arambagh Puja is counted among the 4 major pujas in the national capital. While most people flock to Delhi's mini Bengal, Chittaranjan Park, during Durga Puja, Arambagh prides itself on recreating authentic Bengali experiences for visitors every year.
This year, our theme is basically Jatra Pala. Jatra Pala is basically the Bengal folk theatre, kind of folk theatre, which is now diminishing because due to the pressure of, like Natak theatre, cinema, OTT, village people like that. But now they are very in poor condition. The Jatra artists, the famous Jatra artists, they are not in a very good position because due to their, famousness is now diminishing.
The puja has loyal visitors who return every year. Some proudly share that they have been coming to Arambagh for decades.
Durga Puja is a liberal festival. It cannot be confined to one community, Bengali or say Assami or Udiya.
What will you say about this Jatra?
In Jatra, I have been part of it in Siliguri also. When I was in Siliguri, I had participated in Jatra. That takes you to the root of the culture. Jatra, the exhibition hoyeche, that is a unique thing they have done after 15 years. Here you can learn, and if somebody doesn't spend 1 hour there, then he is not actually seeing it and understanding it. He's just going through the motion.
I am feeling amazing. I come here every year and the decoration is amazing. They come up with a new different theme every year, which is amazing to watch. They always think beyond the extraordinary. And I bring my friends, family. I never miss a year coming to Arambagh Durga Puja.
No one goes back without being awestruck by the beauty of the pandal, not even Bengalis for whom puja has been part of their growing up years.
यहाँ पे मैं पहली बार आई हूँ और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। एकदम एंट्री मारते ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। बिगिनिंग से यहाँ तक बहुत अमेजिंग है और अंदर तो बहुत ही माइंड ब्लोइंग सा एक्सपीरियंस है। वैसे तो हम बंगाली हम ये सब विटनेस करते ही है, लेकिन हमेशा की तरह मतलब दिल्ली में कोलकाता का तो वाइब भी अलग होता है, लेकिन दिल्ली में ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा लगा।
And it's not just culture. Visitors can relish authentic Bengali cuisine and soak in the festive vibes that many say remind them of puja in Kolkata.